Hi guys, so the video for today is what's in my fridge. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung laman ng aming new refrigerator. So, sana ma-enjoy ninyo. So, this is our new fridge. Kadarating lang niya today actually. Dinispose na namin yung isa naming ref kasi mahina na siya. Tsaka 11 years old na yun. So, kaya nag-decide kami bumili ng bagong refrigerator. So, ang tatak nito is Frigidaire. Pwede kang may water and ice dispenser. So, we're not gonna use the ice dispenser right now kasi yung dahil bago pa siya, yung water niya medyo malabo pa. So, yun. Siguro mga ilang buwan bago mo muna mainom yung tubig. Kasi nga, bago yung hose, bago yung fridge, tsaka yung water. Hindi mo, diba? So, right now, dito muna tayo sa refrigerator, okay? So, this is our fridge. So, on the first corner, dito sa door, is yung butter, yung cheese. Yan, tapos meron kami ritong another cheese na mozzarella, Yakult for my son, cream cheese, sour cream, and salsa, the green salsa. And then right here on this third level, ito naman yung mga ketchup, classic Caesar, ranch, sweet chili sauce. We have Mezzetta Deli Slice Pepper Rings, A1, Worcester Sauce, Nuts Berry Farm. This is a spread. We have mustard and ketchup. On the third level, we have the garlic, the Parmesan, the mayo, another bottle for salsa. And then on the fourth level is the samyang. Because sometimes I make yung Korean food na may salad with pork. Yan, samyang. Masarap siya. Ng bagoong. Yan. Pag ko yung binagoongan. Ginger, magic sabor, fish oil, yung vitamins and gamot ni Noah. And I have hot pepper. Yan. So, dito naman tayo sa loob is the jalapeno and the other salad or Italian giardiniera. Giardiniera. It's like, yung parang pickles, ganon. Yun. Tapos, meron kaming coconut oil right there. Hindi pa namin yung nagagamit. Tapos, ito, corn tortilla and yung ginawa kong, what do you call it? Cucumber salad. Filipino style yan. Nilagyan ko lang ng konting toyo. Para maiba lang. So, eto na. We have a strawberry. I have red hot pepper. Masarap to na sauce. I have water right here, salad, mixed salad or mixed veggies, and then cilantro, and then 2 milk. And then we have flour tortilla. Ito, maganda to yung fresh mo siyang maluluto. And of course, I have here the, what do you call it? The danggit. Yeah, right here, danggit and what is this? The galunggong. Yeah, right there, salted. Binili ko yan sa Filipino store here, malapit sa amin. So, I still have some almonds, pistachio, vitamins, my prenatal vitamins, and other stuff. And right here, meron tayong mga onions, lime, tomato, another onion, garlic, and ginger, and some kiwi. Right here, ito naman yung ating fruit area. Pero may mix ng vegetable. This is celery, potato, cabbage, another kiwi, oranges, grapes, peach, and avocado. And right here, the bottom is the carrots. Marami kami. 3 bag ng carrots. So, yun lang ang aking laman ng fridge. So, ngayon, kasi hindi pa ako nagsha-shopping. By next week pa. So, right here naman sa freezer namin is that, although we have ice maker, this is the ice maker, hindi muna namin siya gagamitin kasi nga yung water hindi pa ganun kaganda. So, I have the ice, what do you call it? I'm not sure. Basta yung gawa ng ice maker din siya. Na ice cubes, yan. Then, this is the chickens. Dito ko nilagay yung chicken. Right here is the fish, the pork, and the beef. A few beef and porks, yan. Then, sa baba, meron akong pinroso na tinapay, bacon, sausage, and some chorizo, and a bag of, what do you call it? Rice, and the baking powder, and some noodles. We have here on the door side is the green beans, some mixed veggies, another bag of rice, some strawberries and super green, and then some, what do you call this, instant dry yeast, and some pineapple. So yeah, sana na-enjoy ninyo yung pag-tour ko sa inyo sa aming new refrigerator. And sana may ma-inspire din ako na gumawa ng video na katulad ng ginawa ko. So, I'll see you guys next time. Paalam!